Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about function. Function. So, what is a function? Function is a self-contained, self-contained block of statement. So, any programming language, whenever the terms comes block, so that means it is enclosed with pair of curly bracket. In programming, see the block means it is enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Okay. So what is a function? Function is a self-contained block of statement written for specific purpose. Specific purpose. Specific purpose के लिए हम लोग ये block use करेंगे. Specific purpose. Okay. Now suppose I want to add two number. Let it be suppose A and B. Okay. Now, this is a function which will add this two number. Now, how is it possible? So, to perform a specific task, we have to write a block of code. We have to write a block of code to do a specific task. Okay. And whenever the task needed, we just call that function. Okay. Now let's see. Now suppose we have to do a sum function or addition, then we just write the block of code. Okay. Now whenever we are dealing with function, then it has three parts. What are the parts? What are the first part is function declaration. That means we have to declare the function first. Okay. Next, we have to define the function. What is the actual use of the function? Actual work of the function. That is function definition. And third one is function call. Okay. Whenever the task needed, then we will call that function. Okay. So function declaration means suppose in this way. Now suppose sum is the function and it will add two integer, then the declaration statement will be like this. Okay. So function declaration is a statement that describes the name of the function, that is the sum, how many argument it will take, that is two argument it will take. It takes two argument. Okay. And what are the types of argument? Both are of integer type. And what is the return type? What is the output of that function? That means the function declaration describes the name of the function, the type of arguments to the function, and what are the number of how many argument it will take or how many input it will take, and what is the output, which type of output it will produce or it will return. So this is what the function declaration. Okay. Next is function definition. Function definition means actual code of the function. Now suppose the same function, the code of the same function will be like this. Int c equal to a plus b and return c. Okay. So as it return one integer value, so its return type is of integer type. So here the signature or the first statement of the function definition should be same as of what? Function declaration. That means the function name is sum. It will take 2 arguments and both are of integer type and it returns to integer value. Okay. So this is the function definition. And what is function call? Whenever we require this function, we just call the function with argument sum, a, b or ij, any. Okay. So this is how a function is used in a program. Okay. Now, how the program will look like? How the program will look like? Okay. So let's write the program. Main function. Okay. So before the main function, we have to declare the function prototype. Int sum, int, then void main function, and here suppose I have declared 2 variables and I am asking the user to input 2 value. So scanf %d, ampersand a and ampersand b. Okay. Then here another variable I am taking, that is suppose let it be c. Okay. Int c. Okay. C equal to, here I am calling the function with argument a, b. Okay. And finally I will result equal to %d c, because in c it will store the result. Okay. Next we will write the code. Okay. So int sum, int, let it be suppose I. These are the copy of the actual argument, and here I am return I plus j, or you can take another local variable to store the result. Okay. So how the program will be executed? Okay. Let's compile that one. So this is the function declaration statement, function declaration. Okay. And here I have declared three variables a, b, and c. Okay. And I am asking the user to enter the values to printf function. And here the user given 2 value. Let the value a is let it be suppose 100 and b equal to let it be suppose 200. Then c equal to sum ab. Okay, we are calling the sum function. Okay, so whenever we call the function with argument, then it will come to that position where, or the control will come to that position where the function is defined. And here I and j variable are the copy of the actual variable. Okay, we'll discuss next class what is the difference between formal variable and actual variable. Formal parameter or actual parameter. Okay. Now value of I equal to 100, j equal to 200, and it will return the addition of two value, that is 100 plus 200, that is 300, and it will return where? It will return to that position where it is called. So here it will be 300. So C equal to 300 and the output will be result equal to 300. Okay. So this is how a function is declared, a function is defined, and a function is called. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss what is the difference between actual argument and the formal argument. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.